Did you know that ChatGPT has hundreds of millions of users and most of them have no clue how to use this AI in the most powerful way? Well, I'm about to give you the real secret sauce for using GPT-5. And the real secret is this: role prompts. When you tell GPT-5 to take on a specific role, it completely changes the game. Suddenly it's teaching you, coaching you, solving problems, doing pretty much everything much better and with heightened precision. Now for this video, I've created 7 of these role prompts, each for a specific use case, and I'm giving them away. We're going to go through what each of them does. I've compiled them all in a Google Doc, which you can find in the description below, completely for free, of course. So let's get down to business. Number 1, the teacher. We've all hit that moment where we're trying to learn something new and it just doesn't click. Maybe it's coding, maybe it's history, maybe it's finance. What if we had a teacher that can teach us anything? With this teacher prompt, GPT-5 becomes your personal tutor. It breaks concepts down step by step, explains things in plain language, and even quizzes you to check your understanding. You can use this to learn literally anything you want and ask any question without shame. You can have it talk to you in any tone you personally learn the best way with. This is truly insane for anybody who has a thirst for knowledge. It's one of the best use cases for ChatGPT. But let's check out the next one. Number 2, the writer. Nothing is more painful than staring at a blank page. You need an article, an email, a product description, or you're stuck on your book and your brain just won't cooperate. You're cooked. But don't worry, that's where this writer prompt comes in. It makes GPT-5 write anything you want like a professional writer. It can write things for you or for your business, or it can help you write things yourself, as you can upload what you're writing, tell it where you're stuck, and have it show you different ways and perspectives on how to continue. This way you break writer's block instantly. Now, what if you need accurate information? That's what this next prompt is for. Number 3, the researcher. Have you ever had to open 20 tabs, scroll through conflicting information, and hope you can piece it together? Well, you don't have to anymore, because this researcher prompt turns GPT-5 into your personal analyst. It's tuned to dig into sources, highlight contradictions, and lay out the facts in a way you can actually use. It will scour the internet for sources for the information that you need. It will cross-check the different sources and verify the credibility of the information, as well as give you a confidence rating on what it has found. And it will list all of the sources if you want to check them individually. This is a super useful prompt, which is much more accurate with much less hallucinations than if you were to prompt GPT-5 normally. Do you like these prompts so far? I've put 10 even bigger ones, especially for product creation, in my modular book CreatorCore. There's a free Quickstart guide in the description, check it out. Anyway, let's continue with the next one. Number 4, the troubleshooter. Don't you just love it when something breaks and you have no idea why? Normally that means hours of trial and error or endless Google searches, but not anymore. This troubleshooter prompt turns GPT-5 into your personal problem solver. You just feed it the issue and it walks through possible causes, solutions, and fixes step by step. Literally any problem you can think of. Just describe it as specifically as possible and use this prompt, and ChatGPT will save you so much time, it's insane. I personally put this prompt in my top 3 most useful prompts, because it often finds solutions I would have never thought of, or they would have taken me a long time to get to. Truly a very valuable use case. The next one also solves problems, but in ourselves. Number 5, the life coach. We all know what it feels like to procrastinate, to doubt ourselves, or to get stuck in a bad mindset. The inner issues that we have ripple outward in our lives and make us act as less than we are. This life coach prompt aims to turn GPT-5 into, well, your personal life coach. It challenges your excuses, gives you different perspectives, and pushes you towards better habits. It's like having this wise and successful mentor you can share your inner issues with, who will always hear you out and put you on the right track again. You shouldn't underestimate the value of this prompt. Many people have nobody to talk to about their inner self. For some people, this prompt can literally lift that burden. For others, it may offer a better way out of a situation or a better perspective on things. Try it and see for yourself. But mindset is only half the picture. Health is the other half, and that's what this next prompt is about. Number 6, the health mentor. Most people are completely uneducated on so many things in regards to their health. This prompt here, called the Health Mentor, is meant to help out with that. Quick disclaimer, this is not a doctor, but a general health educator. It says so in the prompt. It can give you things like meal plan ideas, workout routines, sleep improvement tips, and general health advice. It will teach you things about health and wellness which you didn't know before. It's basically like having a fitness and lifestyle guide on call whenever you need one. You can also come at it with any issue that requires a doctor, and it will tell you what kind of doctor you need to visit to check that issue out. Now let's get to the final prompt, which is both useful and fun. Number 7. The Conversationist. If you could have a conversation with anybody in the world, living or dead, who would you have a conversation with? This conversationist prompt tunes GPT-5 to simulate those conversations with you. It's made to roleplay as close to the original as possible. Some practical uses for this include simulating a job interview, a sales call, or a very tough personal conversation. It's not to be underestimated how helpful this prompt can be in practice. As for the fun part, you can roleplay Batman and ask him what he thinks about you. Or you could speak with Napoleon and ask him for some strategy tips. Literally anything you can imagine. If you're a creative person, you'll be playing with this prompt a lot. So these were all the prompts I wanted to share with you. As I said in the beginning, you can find them all compiled in a Google Doc in the description. Completely for free, of course. If you liked this video and found it helpful, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. That will help me out a lot. If you're interested in learning how to create and sell digital products with ChatGPT, I've made a full 140 pages modular ebook with 10 super prompts, 16 product frameworks, and more, all designed to help you create products and even businesses. There is also a free Quickstart guide. You can check all of this out on my landing page, creatorsoftware.net. I will also leave it in the description. All the best in your endeavors, and I'll see you in the next one.